Hey, Famous, what you working on?
Here we have the 2012 Chevy Equinox, and basically it has came in with the check engine light. So we're checking for any sort of codes. So with the scanner, this particular vehicle has, looks like 8 codes, all powertrain related. So we're gonna take our codes, go in and check and see what some of this stuff indicates, and see if we can get on the trail of getting a happy customer. Updates coming soon. We'll get with you on the 2012 Chevy Equinox check engine light.
Okay, thank you, Famous.